Hello, Coin Engineer. We are going on unstoppably to explore wholesale internet exchange to you, especially you newcomer engineers. Let's get started. And right now, today, as you can see from title of this video and our right now screen, we will talk about and I will show you how can you use cube.exchange. And right now, as you can see, there are so basic, so simple user interface, and I think it could be like this because for example, if you are a newcomer and you don't want to see a lot of and confusing and so advanced screen, and that's so understandable and that's so normal to understand, easy to understand, and Cube Exchange can present you this opportunity. And right now, what should you do? First of all, and sure, sign up, because if you want to start a use opportunities into the deal, you absolutely need to have account and click continue with Google. By the way, we will provide you the link at the description of this video if you want to get referral code enter into the deal. I mean, just find out our referral code from description of this video and then just put a referral code and get some discount for special for Coin Engineer followers. And then right now I don't need to put that, I don't want to take so long, and continue with Google. And yes, I had already created a new account. Right now, the turn of verify account. Create your account, continue. We had already did it. And if I'm not mistaken, right now we need to pass KYC. Yes, all countries except USA, United States of America. If you are not a citizen on United States of America or USA, you absolutely need to click all countries except USA and then continue. You need to provide some documents and get your camera ready and find a well. And for example, right now, if you are right now on the PC like me, maybe it's not comfortable so much for you, and then just take your photo and then continue on phone, click continue on phone. You will see this QR code, and then or just send your phone this link and click this link on your phone, and then you will see automatically this website mobile version, and then you can easily can go on to trade and use Cube Exchange sure after passing QYC verification, and then just provide your photo, your selfie, your documents, or passport and driver license. Click continue, all the camera access, and then yes, that's it. You had already know how can you get easily past QYC verification. And then if you have a lot of friends and so huge around, or if you have followers, click refer and then invite by email. For example, just put emails and then send invite, see my referrals into the deal, and then you can first degree referrals. For example, right now we will share with you our referral, and you had already sign it up on the cube.exchange using our referral. You absolutely will get and will be, first of all, our first degree referral. That's why 25% in honor of that, because you are the Coin Engineer followers, you are using our referrals, and sure, you are our first degree referral. That's why you will get 25% discount on Cube.exchange. And then yeah, first of all, we need to click trade, and because we want to trade into the Cube Exchange, because right now we are an exchange and absolutely we need to trade. Yeah, first of all, trade. What should we do? That's so basic. And buy, sell, market or limit. Buy, market, sell, market or limit. There are orders, market and limit orders. There are buy and sell. For example, that is the range, if I'm not mistaken, and bundles, orders, and convert. And I will touch at the next part of this video and verify account. You absolutely need to do that. And just let's imagine I had already passed QYC verification, because I don't want to wait for that into this video. And yes, first of all, I need to just go to market price. Yes, right now, as you can see, I can't put any limit price, but when I click, yes, I can put an enter price, and then just market and buy. Just touch, and then how can I use? Yes, I just think the Solana will be like this, and then we can see maybe touching into there, after then a little bit fluctuations, and then yes, we can choose as a target profit area as a $206, and then yes, what should we do? And I think the price will be go on at the, for example, 127, and that's why what should I do? Change my order from market to limit, and what even I can put 128 in case anyway, and then amount to Solana. For example, I know I have no any balance into the Cube Exchange. That's another problem. And yes, into the year, that's so matter. We have already take a look a lot of order books, and I think it's so remarkable and readable. And size bid as size, and there are size, and that's a bid and ask for sell, bid for buy into there, and you are seeing how can I show you? By the way, you can scroll up and down into the deer, and then unfortunately I can't see any percent 45, and probably it will be 44. And yes, right now there are a little bit difference, a lot more bids than ask, and that's why I think just the price will go from there. But first of all, it dropped to 128 or approximately to this area, and then I can take profit as a $200. Yeah, where can I max time and force confirmation show trading? Yes, trade advanced. If you want to see the whole takes into there, you can click just advanced recent. By the way, algorithmic trend, Gorilla, select algo from the list, Gorilla Jump, Kingmaker, for example, Gorilla Mark. You can right now do algo trading into the deer. How can you do this? Enter starting price USDC, for example 100 USDC, and enter max amount. For example, I have no any USDC I know, and then just verify account, and then you will see the new button after pressing KYC verification, and that's why you can use Gorilla Jump and Kingmaker algo trades. But it's not so matter, and in general I'm not gonna use algo trading because I had already used my brain, my mind, what should I do. And yes, even I have no any time, a lot of time to screen to watch to track the chart prices. That's why yes, algo can be perfect fit for me. And recent advanced, yes, buy limit price amount 6. Maybe you can use that. That's the percentage that, and then that's the 100%, 75, 50, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, 45, not 25. Yes, and that's 0. And for example, if you click what you have in your balance, for example, you have just 1 Solana in your futures account, just click that, you will see 1 Solana as a amount. And 5x 2x, just put 1 Solana, maximum execution allow taker, post only. And then yes, that's it. After verify account, you will see the button to open and buy the position. After that, orders, if you have choose limit, first of all you will see your position into the deal, and after the realize touch Solana to $128, you will see your positions into the deal, asset balance available, and we ask MV. Yes, that's not some matter. Book into the deal. What should we do? In the deal, you can just transfer. Yeah, that's the main thing. Even you can take a look. We are seeing at the same screens and depths. I don't think so many people, if you are a newcomer, can't read this depth graphic, but not a problem. We will release new video about that equalizer, and that's about the buying and selling comparison of the year. And then right now you are seeing there are a lot of asks and bids, and when you are seeing that's huge, that means there are a lot of sell pressure or buy pressure into the deal. You can just need to get used, and you can increase to see more fluctuated and more volatility into the deal. If you don't want to see more volatility, you can do it. And into the other side, you can increase the percentage, and you can see a lot of equalizers into the deal. Yes, right now we are already touched towards the rewards, markets. Yeah, into there are a lot of tokens in the Satoshi markets. One co. There are, for example, there are a lot of types. For example, runes and some altcoins, or Solana altcoins, Bitcoin altcoins, or Ethereum altcoins, or even Bitcoin. You can find out just one place, and if you want to see, just click market. And if you want to take a look at transactions, your transaction ID, which ID, and every details you can find out into the transaction field and portfolio. For example, you have a JIT-Sol and you can find it and you want to find it into the Cube Exchange. Just click portfolio, you will see JIT-Sol into the there. If you have, you will see as a balance and as available token amount in the orders. If you had already started to do trade at the futures, for example, when you click orders, you will see into the deal, and then if I'm not mistaken, then you can filter it and bundles. Balanced dark money dipping or G runes. For example, you are interested in runes on the Bitcoin side and you want to buy some runes on the Cube Exchange. For example, you can find OG runes. Liquid token Satoshi Nakamoto Bank runes RSIC dog. There are 5 and OG runes, and for example, you want to you need to learn which 5 tokens are the top at the dipping side. Helium Mobile, Hub Mapper, Render token and Helium, you can buy it, and then meme, for example, perfect bundle, and then AI at AI, for example, Bitcoin Render token, Ionet, and then click buy, verify account. After verifying account, you will be create portfolio, AI portfolio divided into Bitcoin Render token, Ionet with 33%. That's so easy. And if you want to create a portfolio just OG runes, for example, you are thinking runes prices is so cheap and runes market cap in total market cap is so low, you can just click buy. You will get 20% and 20% from every runes, OG runes, and you will create easily and without spending and wasting a lot of time. Just you can find the opportunity into the Cube Exchange and then convert. You have already know that. Just put Bitcoin, for example, you want to convert USDT, just put 1 Bitcoin, you will get, if I'm not mistaken, approximately 60,000 USDT, and then trade. We had already touched it, and yes, finally we had already completed the new user guide at the Cube Exchange. I think we had already talked and discussed about, and I had already showed a lot of things into the Cube Exchange, and that's why if you want to support us, because really that's so hard to release everyday new video content, and at the same time to Twitter. And if you want to support, and really if you are learning something from our channel, Coin Engineer channel, and other social media accounts, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and social Twitter to follow. Yes, that's it. See you on the next bullish time.